Fan has been directed by Manish Sharma and it stars SRK in double role. Also, there is a brief appearance from Eliana D'Cruz and Mani Kapoor. Fan tells you the story of this crazy fan who is really obsessed with his favorite superstar and he's keen to meet him, but things go really awry because the superstar totally बोलता है तुम नहीं हो मेरे fan. Fan is really entertaining watch. It is a good movie. It could have been a great movie, but nevertheless, I had really great time watching it, and it was really entertaining. The VFX were really good. The acting is top notch, and the cinematography is really good. Straight to the point, SRK was excellent in both roles. I enjoyed him in both roles. That means that कि मुझे एक सेकंड के लिए ऐसा नहीं लगा कि SRK एक्टिंग कर रहा है. It feels like it is a character, and भले ही उनकी appearance, facial appearance are same, but कभी आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि they are the same person. They are totally different. They have totally different mannerism. They have totally different habit. One is from Delhi. One lives in Mumbai, but totally different characters, and he played really well. My favorite character would be Aryan Khanna. Now, why Aryan Khanna? Because I think his character was fleshed out well, and वो अपने जैसा act नहीं किया. I mean, it's kind of different from SRK. थोड़ा सा different character उसका, but nevertheless, it was really great performance by SRK. Now the cinematography and VFX were top notch. Cinematography was awe-inspiring and VFX are really great. Now this is the deal. This is risk-taking thing when you give VFX like this because you're using a digital technology which could go in bad way. We are improving with the VFX, we are improving with the cinematography, but we have to improve on the direction. Now the direction part, here's the deal. See, this movie could have been 20 minutes shorter. Yeah, I'm saying it. 140 मिनट की मूवी है. It could have been. कोई भी गाना नहीं है. अगर गाना रहता तो 25 मिनट एडिशनल होता था. It could have gone like 150, 155 minutes. अगर इसमें से अगर आप एक दो सीक्वेंस अगर कट भी कर देते हो, it wouldn't have made much difference. I really feel कि director missed his mark. Although I loved his शुद्ध देसी रोमांस, I loved his direction. पर यहाँ पर ऐसा लगता है कि फर्स्ट एक्ट एंड सेकेंड एक्ट का like 70% are directed by some other director and second act का 30% and third act का climax के पहले is directed by another person. But nevertheless, it was better movie than his SRK's 3 last movies because it had this substance over in it. एंड मैंने ट्रेलर के शॉट बाय शॉट ट्रेलर के रिव्यू में भी बोला था कि इट विल हैव दिस सब्सटेंस एंड समटाइम्स देयर आर क्रिटिक्स दुनिया का नंबर 1 क्रिटिक हूँ ये हूँ वो हूँ देयर आर क्रिटिक्स हु विल मिस दैट पॉइंट. द एक्सपोजिशन हैज बीन डन स्मार्टली. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि पूरा लास्ट हाफ जो इंटरवल के बाद का हाफ है वो पूरा खराब है. There are some smart moments in it. There are some exposition in it. There are some character development in it. You feel sorry for the Aryan Khanna, and it is kind of confusing कि आप sorry Aryan Khanna पे क्यों दया खा रहे हो जबकि आपको दया खाना चाहिए fan पे, right? But then it's the story about the obsession of the fan who is like villain. तो audience आई थिंक ऑडियंस कंफ्यूज थी. जो मेरे साथ बैठा था वो कंफ्यूज था ये ऐसा क्यों कर. एंड आई एम लाइक प्लीज शट अप. एंड आई थिंक डायरेक्टर हिमसेल्फ वाज कंफ्यूज व्हाट टू शो एंड व्हाट नॉट टू शो. आई ट्रूली बिलीव कि एक दो सीन अगर काटे होते दिस मूवी वुड हैव बीन रियली गुड, रियली gripping, intense thriller. That's what I'm talking about. SRK completely, with his acting, completely छुपाने की कितना कोशिश किया है। इट इज अपलॉज वर्दी फॉर एसआरके की, मतलब उसने अपने एक्टिंग से इतना लूप होल्स को छुपाने की कोशिश किया है कि मूवी को आखिर में आपको लाइक करना ही पड़ता है। Yeah, I'm serious. So I'm gonna give Fan a 3.25 out of 5. Overall, I really enjoyed it. I had great fun watching this movie, and I cannot wait to see his Rais, which is actually directed by actual director who knows how to direct, who knows. उसने जो डायरेक्टर है रईस का, he went to this institute of direction and he learned the direction there and he has national award for his movie. So I do think कि उसको समझ में आएगा कि मतलब क्या डायरेक्ट करना है, कैसे डायरेक्ट करना है, वेयर टू पुट स्टोरी एलिमेंट्स, कितना डालूंगा तो मूवी, कितना एलिमेंट्स डालूंगा तो मूवी अच्छी लगेगी, कितना नहीं डालूंगा तो अच्छी लगेगी. सो या आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर रईस. So 3.25 out of 5, not really bad, but it could have been better. Concept क्योंकि बहुत ही अच्छा था. So until next time, see ya.